Kamusta naman yung relationship niyo, ma'am, ni Evolution?
I think Evolution and Philippine Red Cross Quezon City chapter started its partnership way back the pandemic time, when one of your staff, the Evolution staff, came to the office and asking how can we help. Yung ganung tanong na is such a pandemic time, but then you came along and donated to us, asking what do we need. So you have donated the Evolution Mask, Nano Shield, and the very most important, our what do you call that? Interactive board, which is being used often during meetings, and it's such a very important, donation to us. Then came the referral to the national headquarters for a more partnership with the national headquarters. And then came the donation of the command center. This is it. It's one of the most, important donation that Evolution or any other company had donated to us. So it continues along. We have done first aid training among personnel. You have also membered with our membership, Safeguard, or I think that was Platinum way back, but now it's Safeguard. And then we do health seminars and so on. So the partnership, in fund generation activities, you were always there.
How much did Evolution's technology mean for the overall humanitarian work of the Philippine Red Cross Quezon City chapter?
Wow, how much. I think it's priceless, having this command center with us, it's such a great help. One, it's for the different services of the Philippine Red Cross, like the blood program, wherein makikita mo naka-input lahat ng blood donors in our system, and it will puff up when a person needs to donate after 3 months. Second is our ambulance or emergency vehicle na we can, what do you call that? We can see where it goes. And then if there is a disaster, we can see also volunteers who are there in the barangay. For example, there is a fire. And then if we click the system, it will, puff up, and we'll see who among the volunteers are in the system, and it will be immediately called and asked to respond to certain kind of emergencies. Also, with our health program, we have database of doctors and nurses, which is so important. Whatever hospital they are, if we need their services, we can call them immediately because of this command center. We can also see the different kinds of donations being donated by companies and partners. And it will puff up when the donation expires, nearly expiry, that we need, to consume or to give to people. It has anti-expiry, and then makikita namin sa system na need na itong, first in, first out, for the donations of the people.
So any message you'd like to share with organizations, especially yung sa volunteers, humanitarian works, or those organizations who assist sa mga emergencies, sa mga humanitarian works, considering digital transformation like Red Cross Quezon City chapter?
Kailangan nating mag-advance into digital transformation because gagaan ang buhay. The system really helps a lot in the services that we offer. Imagine, makikita mo agad yung blood donors na need na niyang mag-donate. Makikita mo yung vehicles, where do they respond? Who are the volunteers in there? Who are the donors in there na magpa-puff up siya when the time of donating comes? And the donation of the companies or people who trust the Red Cross. can also be seen. So, ang dali ng buhay. We need not to do it manually. We need not to check it on our computer, but digital transformation is the best. So, urging all, no, to do the same, no, go for digital transformation. It's very effective, efficient, and easy accessibility.
Digital, powered by humans.